Now guys, this is my first Python program to print star programs. So in every program, there is able to print the star programs. So in this first star program, we are going to print pattern language. So star in the first row, we are going to print 5 stars. In similarly, second row, third row, fourth and fifth. So we are going to completely print the 5 rows with 5 columns. So let's start the program. So for this we are going to take for loops. So first for loop will be print the number of rows we are going to, and the second for loop will take the number of columns. Let's write it for variable x in. So we are going to check the how many rows we are going to print. So we are we need it to print as 5 rows. So let's make it 1 to 6, right? Now the first condition it will be take as a how many rows, right? So in the first row we need to print as a 5 columns, right? So like this we are going first row it has 5, right? So in the columns part we have to do right for y in range 1 to 6, right? Now what we are going to print, we need to print star, right? So just print star, right? So give the string with empty. So this will be print the first row up to 5 columns, right? So in each row we need to give the next line, right? So for that we will print the empty row. So now just run it. We will see how the output will come. Look at it. Here it is printing the 5. So I type 5 with stars. Thank you guys.